My grandbaby is 2 years old, and he can work YouTube like nobody's business. I'm videotaping you. You done found me happy birthday songs to sing to me on YouTube by yourself. You so smart. You are so smart. This little boy. So we done? Okay. Yeah. Look at you. See him? Look, he went right back to it, made a mistake, and he went right back to it. Why? Because he's the smartest little boy in the whole world. Watch him work it. Watch him work it. Look, he's looking for something else. Look at him. He's so smart. You see him? He just working it.